We're here to repo the car.
Hey, he's coming, he's coming. Hey.
We're here to repo the car.
I talked to the lady. Need y'all to work with me and understand that nobody has communicated with me and told me where to pay my stuff.
You see, you do have all the paperwork. You have your
I need you to.
right here. This is all the information on how to make your payment. Okay? This is all the information. It's on the first page. There is no way.
This was in here?
Yeah.